Yep.
All right, kids, today I'm going to show you how to start and stop this pressure washer. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check the oil. So we've got our dipstick over here. We're going to pull that guy out. What you want to do is wipe it all the way off. We're going to go back in with it, tighten it down, and then you're going to pull it out again. What we want to see here is oil on these hash marks between the high and the low. So we've got oil in here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. This guy's got an on-off switch. It's got a 0 and a 1. We're going to go to that 1. That means we're turning it on. Right here, we've got our choke. The partially closed one is for starting, and the fully open is for running. So we're going to put this guy in position to where he's just partially open. Should be right there. I'm going to go ahead and pull my pull start here, and it should start right up. Don't put this in.